how to make uncomfortable shoes comfortable. There are tons of tricks out there, but I'm going to be sharing 3 tricks with you on how to make your heels more comfortable when you wear them. These are Socates by Christian Louboutin. These are very, very uncomfortable heels. If you do research here on the internet, you're going to hear that everyone complains about the same thing. And the logic behind it is that the heel compared to where the base of the actual heel is significantly different. So basically you're on your tippy toes the whole time, and well, yeah, super uncomfortable. But the shoes are also very tight. They're made out of leather, and then they have a patent leather covering. So what you can do if you have a similar situation where you have narrow shoes, what I recommend you do is that you wear socks. You wear thick socks, the ones you would wear at night, and then you would put your foot inside the shoe with the socks on, and then you would walk around with the heel like so. And what that does is that it stretches out the actual shoe and makes them more comfortable on your foot. Christian Louboutin heels in specific are known to be very narrow. There are other designers out there that have shoes also that are very, very narrow, but there are more tricks. And if you want to see more of them, leave me a comment down below so that I can do another video. But that's going to be a game changer. And you can also do the same thing with boots so that you don't break into them. The next tip I want to talk about is, for example, the back of the heel. They tend to be very uncomfortable for me sometimes, and then like you could get a blister. It's very painful, but there are ways of making the shoe more comfortable in the back. On Amazon, you can find really, really good products. For example, I have these pads that you just peel off and you stick them onto the back of the shoe, and what that does is that it creates, well, yeah, it's like a cushion. So when you put your foot inside, the back of your foot is protected, and you're not getting any blisters, and you're able to walk with the shoe more comfortably. I don't recommend the ones that I'm using on flats just because they are a little bit wide and they're gonna show if you wear flats. But if you're wearing heels, what you're gonna like about them is that when they fall on the actual heel, they create like a cushion on the back so that the sole of your foot falls on it and it's more comfortable. And you can get them on Amazon. They are very, very affordable. I believe I paid less than like $15 for them, but they are game changers, and they are going to just make heels for you more comfortable. And lastly, the tip that I want to share are these body and clothing tapes. I have used these for many, many years, but I use them on clothes, and they are game changers. So I have a pair of heels that I really like from Aldo, and they have shimmer on them. They're super pretty. And what happens with them is that the strap in the back just glides off my foot, and well, you know, I don't really like to be fixing my shoe as I'm walking. I'm sure you can relate to that, or you also find that to be true. So what I do is that I get the strips and then I peel them. They're like stickers basically. So what you do is that you peel them and you stick them onto the strap of the shoe. You might need to cut them so that they don't show, but what that does is that it attaches to the shoe, and then it attaches to your skin. And don't worry about like the peeling, because it doesn't hurt, and it just makes the shoe a lot more comfortable, and you can walk more comfortably because you know that the strap in the back is not gonna fall off. I got these on Amazon as well. They are very, very affordable, and the positive thing is that you can also use them on clothes. I also want to thank you guys for the support here on my channel. I know that shoe videos tend to do really, really good, but let me know in the comments what other videos you would want me to create for you. I also want to point out that last year I went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia, and I have great tips on everything regarding the cruise with Royal, from the food to the excursions to sightseeing. You can get a lot of insights on those videos. I'm gonna list a playlist down below. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time.